Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your culinary game, the made in 12-inch stainless steel frying pan. This isn't just another pan, it's crafted in Italy with a focus on professional quality, and I've spent some serious time putting it through its paces. Let's get into what makes this pan tick. First off, let's talk about the dimensions and build. This 12-inch pan has a total diameter of 12.5 inches, with a cooking surface diameter of 9.5 inches. That's a generous amount of real estate for searing, sautéing, or whatever your recipe demands. The height is 3.5 inches with the handle, and the depth of the pan itself is 1.75 inches, which is perfect for containing ingredients without being too deep for easy access. The handle, including its length, stretches to a comfortable 20 inches, providing good leverage and keeping you a safe distance from the heat. Now, the core of what makes this pan stand out is its construction. It features a 5-ply stainless clad design. For those unfamiliar, this means layers of different metals are bonded together to create a superior cooking vessel. You've got stainless steel on the outside for durability and induction compatibility, aluminum in the middle for excellent heat conductivity, and often another layer of stainless steel. This multi-layer construction is crucial because it ensures incredibly even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. No more hot spots in the center while the edges remain cool, or vice versa. This responsiveness to temperature changes is what professional chefs and serious home cooks crave, and it truly makes a difference in controlling your cooking. The features list highlights this as an essential for every kitchen, and I have to agree. Its versatility is undeniable. Whether you're searing a steak to a perfect crust, sautéing delicate vegetables, or simmering a sauce, this pan handles it all with grace. The responsiveness of the 5-ply construction allows for precise temperature control, meaning you can adjust the heat up or down quickly and see the results almost immediately on your stovetop. This is a game changer for achieving consistent results. Made in emphasizes the superior quality of their materials and craftsmanship, and this pan feels every bit the premium product. The 5 layers of metal aren't just for show, they contribute significantly to its performance. This isn't a thin, flimsy pan that warps easily. It has a substantial feel to it, suggesting it's built to last a lifetime. Let's talk about the handle. It's meticulously crafted to stay cool while cooking. Now, stay cool is relative to the heat source, of course, but compared to many other stainless steel pans, this handle does a commendable job of dissipating heat. It's also fastened with stainless steel rivets, a hallmark of durable cookware, ensuring the handle remains securely attached for years to come. The ergonomic design is comfortable to grip, even when the pan is full. Another key feature is its induction cooktop compatibility. The top layer of 430 stainless steel is ferromagnetic, meaning it interacts perfectly with induction burners. This makes it a truly universal pan that will work flawlessly on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops. If you're on an induction range, you'll appreciate the rapid and precise heating this pan delivers. And the fact that it's expertly made in Italy is a significant selling point for many. Italian craftsmanship in cookware is renowned, and you can feel that heritage in the quality of the finish and the overall construction. This pan is clearly designed for both professional chefs and expert home cooks who appreciate fine tools. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 5-ply construction offers exceptional heat distribution and responsiveness, leading to more consistent cooking results. The pan is incredibly versatile, handling a wide range of cooking tasks with ease. The Stay Cool handle is a thoughtful design element that enhances safety and comfort. Its induction compatibility makes it a great choice for virtually any kitchen setup. The build quality is outstanding, and it feels like a pan that will last a lifetime, embodying excellent value for its premium nature. The Italian craftsmanship is evident. However, there are a couple of things to consider. As with most high-quality stainless steel cookware, this pan will require a bit of learning to master if you're used to non-stick surfaces. Proper preheating and using the right amount of fat are essential to prevent sticking, especially with delicate foods. Also, the price point reflects its premium materials and construction, so it's an investment. It's not a budget-friendly option, but for those who value performance and durability, it's likely worth it. Lastly, while the handle stays relatively cool, it can still get warm during extended cooking periods, so using a towel or pot holder is still a good practice. In conclusion, the made in 12-inch stainless steel frying pan is a truly exceptional piece of cookware. Its 5-ply construction delivers on its promise of superior heat control and even distribution. It feels solid, looks elegant, and performs beautifully across various cooking methods. If you're looking to invest in a durable, versatile, and high-performing frying pan that will be a workhorse in your kitchen for years to come, this made-in pan is definitely one to consider. It bridges the gap between professional-grade tools and home kitchen essentials perfectly. Link in the description.